Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving deep into the excitement surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Is it really going to revolutionize the Android scene? Let's explore every aspect of this cutting-edge device to uncover its potential impact on the smartphone market. Early leaks and exciting features. The buzz around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is reaching a fever pitch, with early leaks hinting at a plethora of mind-blowing features. From unparalleled performance metrics to a state-of-the-art camera system and game-changing AI capabilities, the expectations are nothing short of monumental. However, in a market saturated with promises, the crucial question remains: can the S25 Ultra deliver on these lofty claims? Join us as we dissect the rumors and separate fact from fiction. Release date and pricing. Samsung enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the official unveiling of the S25 lineup, rumored to take place in early 2025, possibly as early as January or February. As anticipation mounts, so does speculation about the pricing, with estimates hovering around $1,300. Nevertheless, savvy consumers can anticipate potential promotions and deals that may make this flagship device more accessible to a wider audience. Stay tuned as we track the latest updates on release dates and pricing strategies. Design and display. Aesthetics meet functionality and the design philosophy of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Leaks suggest a premium titanium build that not only exudes luxury but also ensures durability. The device's expansive 6.8-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED display promises an immersive visual experience, boasting vibrant colors, deep contrast, and possibly enhanced brightness for optimal viewing in any environment. Additionally, whispers of new shatterproof glass technology could elevate the device's resilience to unprecedented levels, making it a true companion for the on-the-go lifestyle. Performance and battery life. The beating heart of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lies in its powerhouse performance and long-lasting battery life. Fueled by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, the device is poised to set new benchmarks in speed and efficiency. With significant enhancements in CPU power and gaming capabilities, users can expect a seamless multitasking experience and lag-free gaming sessions. Furthermore, the inclusion of a robust 5,000 mAh battery, coupled with optimizations from the new chipset, hints at extended usage times and rapid charging speeds, ensuring that the S25 Ultra keeps pace with the demands of modern-day users. Setting sail into the galaxy of AI marvels. Welcome aboard to another thrilling episode of Future Phone Flash. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the realm of Samsung Galaxy AI upgrades. Join us as we explore the boundless possibilities that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to unveil, promising a paradigm shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence on our smartphones. Let's delve into the intricacies of these upgrades and discover why they hold such significance for the future of mobile technology. Unleashing the potential of enhanced AI capabilities. Building upon the foundation laid by its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is primed to push the boundaries of AI capabilities even further. Envision a world where your smartphone seamlessly integrates advanced AI assistants into every facet of your daily routine. Picture effortless voice commands that anticipate your needs, intelligent camera features that capture life's moments with stunning clarity, and AI-driven innovations that elevate your smartphone experience to unprecedented levels of convenience and efficiency. Elevating software and user experience to new heights. Operating on the latest iteration of Android, possibly Android 15. Customized with Samsung's cutting-edge One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises a harmonious fusion of software sophistication and user-centric design. Anticipate AI optimizations that enhance device performance, machine learning algorithms that adapt to your usage patterns, and user interface refinements that make every interaction intuitive and seamless. The result? A smartphone experience that feels tailor-made for you, empowering you to do more with less effort, ensuring long-term software excellence and security. Samsung's unwavering commitment to software support guarantees that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will receive major Android updates for a minimum of 4 years, along with extended security patch support. This commitment not only ensures that your device remains up to date with the latest features and improvements, but also provides peace of mind knowing that your data and privacy are safeguarded against emerging threats. Illuminating innovations in camera technology. While details about the camera setup of the Galaxy S25 Ultra remain shrouded in secrecy, whispers within the tech community suggest that we're in for a treat. Speculations point towards upgrades such as a larger sensor for enhanced low-light performance, advanced AI-driven image processing capabilities, and groundbreaking features that redefine what's possible in mobile photography. Prepare to capture moments like never before with unparalleled clarity, color accuracy, and detail. Unveiling the future of Galaxy AI features. Beyond still photography, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to revolutionize mobile videography with AI-driven features that elevate your video creation and editing experience. Imagine automated editing suggestions that transform raw footage into polished masterpieces, intelligent filters that enhance the mood and style of your videos, and real-time AI enhancements that ensure every frame is picture-perfect. Whether you're a content creator or an everyday user, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to unleash your creative potential like never before. The magnificent Galaxy S25 Ultra saga, with its stunning design, immersive display technology, blazing fast performance, and advanced AI capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone. It's a technological marvel that redefines what's possible in the palm of your hand. From productivity to entertainment, communication to creativity, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be your ultimate companion in the digital age, empowering you to live, work, and play with unparalleled ease and sophistication. Samsung's remarkable success with the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung experienced a phenomenal surge in smartphone sales following the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. This surge was largely attributed to the groundbreaking Galaxy Artificial Intelligence feature, which significantly enhanced user experience and set new standards in the smartphone industry. The Galaxy S24 series not only met but exceeded consumer expectations, solidifying the Galaxy S series as Samsung's flagship Android line and reinforcing the company's position as a leader in innovative technology. Introduction to the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 series has been highly anticipated by tech enthusiasts and Samsung fans alike. The buzz around this new series began with the unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series at the January Unpacked event earlier this year. The positive reception and excitement generated by the Galaxy S24 series set the stage for what's to come with the Galaxy S25 series. Outro. Stay informed and engaged with future Phone Flash, as we eagerly await more updates and official announcements from Samsung regarding the Galaxy S25 series. Make sure to stay tuned and informed by subscribing to Future Phone Flash. Don't miss out on the latest news, insights, and in-depth analysis of Samsung's flagship devices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more exciting tech content with you soon.